Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please, before you go, you can do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button. Do not leave without subscribing. Subscribe, like, share, make your comments. If there's anything you want to say, or if there's any question you want to ask, say it in the comment section. I would watch out for it. So, if you have been following this channel consistently, I did analysis on DXY last week. I talked about DXY giving us a bearish move. You can take a look at this bearish move. DXY has actually given us a wonderful bearish move. So this week that we are predicting for, which is the first week of April, as we can see, right? We know we are moving to the new month, in April. So one thing we'll be expecting is another drop will be playing out. Take a look at for 5 weeks straight up, DXY has given us close bearish. You can see it. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a bearish move. Take a look at this short trend. Like you always say, trade with the trend and not against the trend. And we can see that the trend is actually a bearish move. So this week we can equally say that DXY will actually drop. So probably we will actually take out this week. You can see here, I call it the liquidity zone. Technically we have to take it out. Basically price should actually drop. Now do not forget that major news is going to play out this week. Crazy mark. Believe me, DXY is going to move crazy. Basically any other PSU will be trading to USD will actually make a crazy movement. So you need to be very, very careful. The time of entering it will be very, very crucial. The time of entering in play, except you're just a scalper, you just want to take out some trade and everything. But if you're a swing trader, you need to be very, very careful before you enter, else you might actually lose. So take a look at the news we will be expecting. You can see it's April 3rd. Take a look at it. USD, which is going to have an impact on our DXY, the movement with it. We can see on Tuesday, major news, job openings, major news that will have an impact on it. We can see on Wednesday, yes, on Wednesday, USD, major news that is going to have an impact on this USD. You can see on Thursday, we are going to be having a major news that is going to have an impact on this USD. Same thing with Friday, you can see 1 to 3. So basically, crazy movement is going to play out, but technically, we have to get a drop. So this news, I'm going to analyze them. I'm going to, watch out for it and, try to predict what type of movements will be actually coming out this week. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, right? Trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning those trade. The link to this channel, the Patreon channel, will be in the comment section. So basically, these are some of the trade we actually took this week. You can see it March 27 to 31. Actually, there's one more trade that I've not included here, by the way. That trade is still running. By next week, we should hit our target. So, I'm going to put a link to this page so you can watch some of those trades we took. So, I'll be putting out some trade that we will be expecting this week, first week of April. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade, just give it a try. The link will be in the comment section. Try it for just a month, right? This April, after the month of April, when month of April end, then you can now decide if you have to keep your subscription or if you have to cancel your subscription. So basically, we're putting out high probability trade, but technically, we expect this USD to drop. So if this USD will drop, we all know the meaning. Every other pair of our USD will go bullish. You can see it. GBP will go bullish. USD will actually give us a bullish move. USD JPY will very much likely to drop. But the yen is actually weak now. So when DXY is weak, the yen is weak. I personally would stay away from that trade. So everything. So we'll be covering more on this USD and Nasdaq 100. We'll be covering more on Nasdaq 100. We'll be covering more on US 30. We will be covering more on S&P 500, also gold. So if in case you're interested, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. But above all this week, we will be expecting a drop. But when you enter will be crucial because we are very much likely to see a candlestick wick sticking at the top once the price close, bearish, because that candlestick very much likely to tap this 10 period simple moving average or the 20 period simple moving average on the weekly time frame. So basically, you need to be very careful before you enter this trade. So let's see what this forward time frame is literally saying. So we can see price is going up. Price is very much likely to tap this, give us like a double top here on this USD DXY before it starts dropping, or probably or possibly we are very much likely to break above this level. before DXY will start falling. Above all, we are speculating a bearish move. So either two of these things will happen. Two of these things, that price come to tap this level before it drops, or we are very much likely to see a little bit of a bullish move before DXY start dropping. So above all, this week we will be closing bearish. So if in case you are interested in more trade, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.